Welcome back. Well, the markets are actually not seeing follow through. The Nifty Bank has come off considerably from the high point of the day and the Nifty as well. But I think it's par for the course. The kind of rally that we have seen, some kind of a pullback, some kind of consolidation will be par for the course. But let's go across to Nimesh, who joins us for D3 Chatter. Nimesh, how are things looking?
Well, a bit of consolidation, and you rightly pointed out par for the course at record levels. Some bit of profit booking is visible. I guess today there is a bit of selling as well. In fact, there's going to be a small market close basket selling at a leading effect. It's a long list of stocks, but there is nevertheless selling from larger affairs. So that sums up the overall market mood. I guess the sector which stands out today is clearly the metal names. And if you remember, since the beginning of the series, I've been saying this, that there's a feedback from the market that metals could be the sector of the series. It's already up 9% so far in the April series. We're seeing a lot of individual names buzzing into it. So this is one sector which is now seeing a bit of institutional interest as well. I understand some long-only funds and domestic mutual funds seems to be chasing some metal names as well for the last few days. So that's clearly playing out. I guess the real test for this market will be next week when a lot of earnings start coming in. And that's what I guess the way everybody's looking out for TCS. Today there was an Infosys upgrade. If IT comes out and delivers number, then probably you'll see a bit of a rally in this market to continue. So that's a hope. But from a flow perspective, today there is a bit of selling pressure from FIs.
Okay, well put, Nimesh. What about individual stocks? What are you looking at?
Well, the trend of logs, QIPs, that continues. So the first stock on my list today is five-star finance. That stock is under pressure today, but there is a large block, 2% equity got change hands. And I understand one of the leading FI investor was a seller in that block deal, so disclosures will be interesting there. The second name is PI Industries. That's marginally under pressure today. But for the last few days, there is delivery-based buying happening. Some long-only funds seems to be quite active buyers as well. And interestingly, Citi had today put out a note for the Q4 earning preview, and they've put out PI Industries on the positive catalyst watch. So that explains a bit of interest in PI Industries. The third stock is Sun Pharma Advanced Research. Now, again, this is one stock which is not under institutional radar, not much been researched as well. This month, the stock is up 25%. Y2D. In the last 3 months, the stock is up 59%. Some bit of HNI interest seems to be back as well. And the Citi is anticipating or hoping for one of the drugs to be a blockbuster drug, and hence a bit of interest in that stock as well. And the last is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Within the financial names, Kotak Mahindra Bank stands out purely on back of flows. So for the last couple of days, I understand the selling pressure from a leading long-only fund is over, and simultaneously there is a bit of buying interest as well. So it's a mix of large selling pressure getting over and some buying interest as well in Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Okay, thank you for that interesting list as always. Let's get a handle.